How to invest in yourself. Do you want to improve your life and your value as an individual? Well, it's time to start investing in yourself. Imagine waking up in the morning feeling successful, with a sense of happiness and excitement coursing through your veins. You know that you are in the top 10% of people who feel truly fulfilled and satisfied with their lives. This feeling of success and fulfillment isn't something that just happens overnight. It takes dedication, hard work, and a willingness to invest in yourself. By investing in yourself, you are taking control of your own personal and professional growth and setting yourself up for long-term success. So whether you're looking to improve your skills, advance your career, or simply live a more fulfilling life, investing in yourself is the key to reaching your goals. If you're interested in personal finance, making money, and personal development, this channel is for you. By subscribing, you'll have access to a wealth of valuable content, and to take control of your finances, achieve success, and start building a brighter future, hit the subscribe button and join us on this journey. We can't wait to see you succeed. Investing in yourself means taking the time and effort to improve yourself in your life. By investing in yourself, you are not only improving your own life, but also increasing your value as an individual. This can have benefits both personally and professionally, and the more you become skilled, confident, and successful in all areas of your life. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our top ways to invest in yourself. We'll be discussing the importance of each area and providing practical tips and strategies for how you can get started investing in yourself. So let's get started. Education and personal development. Did you know that people who continue to learn and grow throughout their lives tend to be happier and more successful? That's why investing in your education and personal development is such a valuable way to invest in yourself. This can take many forms, like enrolling in a degree program, taking online courses, attending workshops or conferences, or even simply reading books on articles on topics that might interest you. By continuously learning and expanding your knowledge base, you are not only increasing your skills and abilities, but also positioning yourself for success in your career and in personal endeavors. How can you expect to achieve success and live a fulfilling life if you're not taking care of your body and mind? This is why investing in your own physical and mental health is so crucial. Take control of your body and mind by exercising regularly, eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and practicing stress management techniques. Not only will this have immediate benefits like increased energy and focus, but also long-term benefits like reducing the risk of chronic disease and improving the overall quality of life. Did you know people with strong social connections tend to live longer and be happier? It's true. Investing in your relationships and social connections is not only important for personal growth and fulfillment, but also crucial for your overall well-being. This can involve spending quality time with loved ones, building new relationships, and actively participating in your community. If you like our content, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to stay updated on our videos. Have you ever set a personal goal and achieved it? If so, you know the sense of accomplishment and motivation it brings. That's why setting and working towards personal goals is such a valuable way to invest in yourself. This can be anything from saving money for a down payment on a house to training for a marathon and learning a new language. Setting and achieving personal goals not only gives you a sense of accomplishment, but it also helps to build confidence and motivation for future endeavors. Do you have a hobby or passion that brings you joy? If not, now is the time to find one. Taking the time to pursue your hobbies and passions is a great way to relax and de-stress, but it can also lead to personal growth and fulfillment. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring your hobbies and passions today. Did you know that people who have a financial plan and feel financially secure tend to be happier and less stressed? It's true, investing in your financial future means taking steps to plan for and secure financial well-being. This can involve creating a budget to maintain your money effectively, saving money for emergencies and long-term goals, and investing in assets that have the potential to grow in value over time. Creating a budget helps you understand where your money is going and make informed decisions about your spending and saving. Saving money provides a financial cushion in case of emergencies, and can also help you to achieve your long-term goals like buying a house or retiring. Investing in assets like stocks, real estate, and small businesses can also have the potential to grow in value over time, providing a financial return on your investment. By investing in your financial future in these ways, you are not only making smart financial decisions, but also gaining peace of mind and the ability to pursue your goals and dreams. You'll have the financial security and stability to follow your passions and achieve your aspirations without having to worry about money. So it's definitely worth taking the time to invest in your financial future. Are you looking to advance your career or switch to a new field? Investing in your professional development is a great way to not only advance your career or switch to a new field, but also increase job satisfaction and opportunities for advancement. This can involve taking on additional responsibilities at work, learning new skills, or even pursuing a new job or career path. Have you ever stopped to consider your strengths and weaknesses and thought about ways you can improve and grow as an individual? If not, now's the time to start. Take the time to work on personal growth and self-improvement, and that can lead to increased confidence, happiness, and success in all areas of your life. This can involve working with a coach or a therapist, setting personal development goals, or simply taking the time to learn and try new things. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of a daily life, and forget to take care of ourselves. But self-care is essential for maintaining a healthy work-life balance and overall well-being, so don't forget to take care of yourself. This can involve things like getting regular massages, taking vacations, or simply setting aside time each day to relax and recharge. Before we finish, if you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like it and tell us in the comments what's stopping you from investing in yourself. Taking risks and stepping outside of your comfort zone, while it can be intimidating, taking risks and trying new things can lead to some of the most rewarding and enriching experiences of your life. So don't be afraid to take a chance and see where it leads you. Whether it's starting a business, traveling to a foreign country, or simply trying something new, stepping outside of your comfort zone can lead to personal growth and fulfillment. Investing in yourself is an important way to improve your own life and increase your value as an individual, both personally and professionally. In this video, we shared our top 10 ways to invest in yourself, including education and personal development, physical and mental health, relationships and social connections, personal goals, hobbies and passions, financial planning and security, professional development, personal growth and self-improvement, self-care, and taking risks and stepping outside of your comfort zone. By investing in yourself in these ways, you can improve your skills and abilities, build strong relationships, achieve your goals, find fulfillment, and increase your chances of success and happiness in all areas of your life. We hope you found these top 10 ways to invest in yourself helpful and inspiring. Remember, investing in yourself is essential for personal and professional growth and fulfillment. Are you interested in learning more about how to achieve success and fulfillment in your life? Make sure to check out our next video, Retiring at 30, Is It Possible? In that video, we're going to be exploring the idea of retiring at a young age and discussing whether it's a realistic goal for most people. We'll also be sharing tips and strategies for how to achieve financial independence and live the life you want, no matter what your age is. Thank you for watching.